Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to remove punctuation from a sentence. Sorry about that. So this is a text file on my desktop. So we're going to remove the full stop, we're going to remove the comma, we're going to remove the question mark. Okay, so here we go. So I've created my scalar path to the desktop. This is my desktop path here, C users mark desktop. Yours will be different, so you'll have to change yours. And we've got CHDIR, change directory, into this path. Now I've created a subroutine called remove punctuation. And now we're going to open the file to read it. So open and my scalar file handler here. And this is to read the file. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything into there. So I'm going to do away with this. So I'm going to put everything into here. So it's going to be C users mark desktop. And the name of the file, which is a.txt, there, and then a generic error message if anything goes wrong, which is or die, simply error reading. I'm just going to do whoops. What happened here? Okay. Just put that on there like that. Right. Okay. So I've had to switch the light on. Okay. Also had a little bit of a problem with my keyboard there for 1 second. The language automatically switched. Right. Here we go. So we've opened that to read it. And in fact, I'm going to call this input here. So this is going to be the input part. And now we want an output. So open, and then get my scalar output. And this is to write back to the file. And we're going to call that output .txt. So we're going to call that output.txt. Fact. We're going to write it to the desktop. So users mark desktop, and that's going to be output.txt, error message or die. Simply going to put error writing. Okay, let's go back to there. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to loop through it using the while here. Create a variable called scalar line, so we're going to loop through the lines in the file. Is equal to input. So we're going to go through every line in the file. Just neaten this up a little bit. Do scalar line. And we're going to match it here the line matches. And we're going to use this regex. So the S here substitutes all matches with nothing. So basically it will delete all matches. And here comes the magic. So we're going to get rid of this punctuation. Globally. Okay, let me just give this the once over. Okay, missed something out there. Okay, so it's going to get rid of that punctuation, the full stop, the comma, question mark, etc. is what we're going to get rid of. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to print scalar output scalar line. And then we're just going to close the files. So close the input. And close the output, the scalar out. Right, we should be good to go. I'm going to type in remove punctuation. Remove punctuation. Let's save it. Make sure the file is closed. Let's check the file by name. So the file is A. So let's run this. Okay, so it's executed, so that looks okay. Let's go back. So we've got a file here called output. The original was A, and we had the punctuation in it. Now, open this, and this is the other one where we've removed the punctuation. So let's just check that out. Yeah, that's the original. And this is the new one here with the punctuation removed. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button below. I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.